In this video, we introduce the Shotoku SD and SE series tripods, our entry-level system to a huge range of manual camera support. The SD series, which we cover in detail in a separate video, is aimed at lighter payloads and is a great support solution for HD and 4K handheld camera systems. The SE series, on the other hand, has evolved from a desire to provide an even higher level of functionality and application flexibility, and a support system designed for the extended range of camera systems available today. Focusing on the SE80, these systems support up to 10 kilograms, providing solutions for camera payloads between smaller handheld systems and traditional ENG systems. To help manage the wider range of configurations in this category and to provide a higher level of control and adjustability, the SE80 comes incorporated with 8 levels of counterbalance. Counterbalance is achieved using a series of rubber torsion springs. Various combinations are engaged via an ergonomic rotary dial, which smoothly selects the required combination to achieve 8 levels of graduation, thus ensuring accurate balance of the payload. To provide drag levels to suit the application and user, there are 4 grades available. The different grades are achieved through the selection or deselection of various combinations of sealed fixed fluid drag modules. This high-quality drag system ensures smooth on-air moves and excellent control. An impressive tilt range of plus 85 degrees to minus 75 degrees offers a flexible range of creative shot options, and well-placed, simple twist lock, pan and tilt brakes ensure locking off a shot is fast and easy to achieve. An operating temperature range of minus 40 to positive 60 degrees Celsius guarantees performance in a wide range of potential environments. The quick-release two-way sliding camera plate, fitted with industry-standard quarter-inch screw and pin, ensures a strong, positive connection with the camera. In order to meet the flexibility typically required by users in this category, the SE80 pan and tilt head can be supplied in either an aluminum 2-stage tripod system configuration or a carbon fiber alternative, each weighing in starting at just 4.48 kilograms or 9.9 pounds. Large, easy-to-reach locking levers allow positive and smooth deployment of the tripod, and the integrated leveling bubble guarantees fast, accurate system setup. All SE tripod systems can be supplied with either a ground or a mid-level spreader and ship as standard with a single pan bar with a large ergonomic rubber grip. To add flexibility and functionality, a second pan bar is available as an option, as well as a foldable dolly option for studio applications. Overall transportation length is just 870 millimeters, or just over 34 inches, which, with the incorporated highly durable soft carry case, makes transporting the systems between shoots effortless. And there you have it. If you have any questions about proper equipment maintenance, would like to request a demo unit, or are interested in purchasing a system, visit our website, shotoku.co.uk, where you can contact us directly or reach out to a local dealer near you.